Hi, biologists. We are on our final QPA Unit 1 bundle for our Unit 1 revision. So let's get to it. So we are in our classwork for our Unit 1 bundles. So you would go to bundle map for QPA. And basically what this bundle is, you're watching the video introduction now. Make sure you just review this bundle. You are creating some sort of visual presentation. It can be a video, it can be a PowerPoint, it can be a poster, it can be whatever you want, as long as it's some sort of media that I can see digitally. So if you make a poster, just send me a picture, share that PowerPoint with me, share the video, etc. So you are basically using what you did in mini QPA 3, what you learned about a pandemic, what you learned about COVID, what you learned about triple E, what you learned about Ebola, whatever you want, whatever you chose as your viral or bacterial infection that spreads easily from person to person, and you're making a presentation about it. So you are basically choosing whichever product you want. You just got to make sure that you have all of these products. So your final product must include a summary of what your disease is and why is it important. So why is coronavirus, why is COVID-19 something that's important for us to address? Why is Ebola something for us important to address? Why is HIV or AIDS something important for us to address? Tell me why, what it is. So is it a bacterial infection? Is it a viral infection? Was it due to the body, etc.? A proposal of the solution for the problem. So thinking about, is there a biological solution? Like with COVID right now, like there's a race for a vaccine. People want to get a vaccine because once there's a vaccine, it's a lot easier for people to be immune and not as many people die to this virus, right? So should there be a vaccine? Should there be more research about it? Like what is a good proposal? Is there social solutions? So we've been talking a lot about social distancing, especially in the wake of this COVID pandemic. So think about social solutions. So social distancing is one of them. So you can't go out and go to a restaurant or go to the movies with your friends all the time now, because we need to make sure that we're protecting each other. Because if I have the virus and I breathe it out, it could potentially harm many people, especially people that have these pre-existing conditions or don't have as much of a like they don't have as strong of an immune system. Also think about other social solutions. Social solutions could be education. So for example, with HIV AIDS, some people, it hit really hard in the 80s especially, but some people just didn't know about it. They didn't know that they needed to practice safe sex or they needed to keep themselves safe. So just education, so people have knowledge, can go a long way. And then finally, environmental solutions. So for triple E, for example, so if it's something that is like carried by some sort of animal, specifically like a mosquito, they thrive in these tropical environments. So maybe there's some sort of environmental solution. If the earth is staying warmer, if we're having longer summers, more hot summers, more intense heats, then mosquitoes might stick around for longer and be able to spread this virus more. So think about different solutions, okay? So please let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.